Alrighty guys, so straight footlocks, here's the deal. If you want to get good at leg bars, toe holds, heel hooks, calf slices, get good at straight footlocks, guys. Straight footlocks are wonderful because the black belt can do it to the white belt and no one cares, okay? So when we go for our next attack, I want you guys to understand that we've got, there's 5 kind of categories of leg locks, okay? We just did one, the straight ankle lock, Achilles lock, foot lock, botinia, call it whatever you like. Our second category we have is calf slices. So I'm not going to teach one of those today, but I'm just going to show you my favorite one. Guys, this is a massive hack. This is a massive hack. I'm only going to demonstrate it once. Can I borrow you please, sir? So the second category is a calf slicer or a knee spreader. Bit of a weird name. You can see why calf slicer took off. All right, yep. Okay, I'm on knee ride. And I fall back and I put my arm through, I triangle off my legs, and that's a done deal. I can do the same attack if he's passing my guard with a knee slice, and I put this over here and he goes, oh, leg drag. No, it's not, it's a calf slicer. So I've got those on my YouTube channel, guys, my calf slices that I do. Just look it up, there's no point practicing them here today. But calf slices are amazing. They're an easy way to win a match, very effective. They're not on the calf, it's on the knee most of the time. Bear that in mind. So then we have like a leg spread or a split type approach. So that would be most evident in something like a banana split or something like that. So from here, you hold on to my leg. Say I go for my ninja roll here, and now I just decide to attack him like this. This is a category of leg locks like an extension spread. Kind of effective, but I'm yet to see evidence of it causing enough damage. Who here's like pulled their groin rolling in jiu-jitsu before? Yeah, like it just happens. It's not like, oh my God, I'm debilitated. I don't know if it's that effective in a fight. Personally, okay? I think in jiu-jitsu we tend not to question things, right? Because it works. Like boxing, kickboxing, wrestling, judo, I mean there's a million more, but these arts that we practice full out, we know we trust them. We're not relying on some secret death punch, which between the hours of 4 to 6 will kill him because of the special spot we hit him. We're not relying on that, so we tend to believe everything. But remember, we're only often practicing to the tap. One thing I learned when I started competing internationally at black belt was if you can't break it, they won't tap. And if you break it too quickly, they won't tap either. So you have to be able to control it, and you have to be able to break it slowly and then threaten more damage. Okay, you can't just break it quick. All right, so now we start look at the third category, okay, which would be starting to look at toe holds, okay, or steamer locks. Again, we're not going to practice those. For those of you who know me, you know steamer locks are one of my favorites. So the steamer lock, and again, this is just an overall thing, guys. You can review this footage and you can look at these. I've got these set up on my YouTube channel for you guys to look at. It's all free. Anytime someone kicks you here, right, all the time people do this. 1, 2, and I rotate his toe in. But what am I doing to the poor guy? I'm just heel hooking him. Okay, so a steamer locks are very effective as well. The same is true with toe holds. Okay, one thing about toe holds is, guys, if you get like, I want you to put your shin across and invert and berimbolo roll for my back. He's thinking, oh my God, I hope I do this correctly. But if he goes with it, yep, like this, and he rolls through, he can often get my back from the toe hold, okay? I had a pro grappling match against Craig Jones, his main training partner recently, and I did this to him, and I busted his foot, and I'm like, oh, it's broken. Oh, there's a guy on my back choking my neck. So I would just be aware of that in toe holds. As guys start rolling with them, there are more potential for counters and stuff like that. But I love toe holds too. Leg bars. Now we actually learned something. Leg bars. I'm going to show you guys my favorite leg bar setup. Okay? For some of you, this will be easy. For some of you, it will be foreign. One of my greatest friends in Louisiana, he did this all the way up through now to black belt. He's won double gold at every big tournament there is, and this is his move. This is all he does. Let's have a look. Z guard. We all just jump on my Z guard. We all use Z guard. Open half guard. Knee shield. Just jump on your knees for me. Just both knees for now. Okay, everyone practices this game. Some people loop the toes, some people hook the feet, some people go on the chest. Gi, no gi, doesn't even matter. All right, I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna be holding him and I'm preventing pressure via the throat and I'm preventing the crossface via my right hand. I'm constantly pressuring this hand. If he beats that hand and flattens me out, I get smashed, okay? So this stops his hips, this stops his head, and this one stops his cross face. And this is all I do for my move. All right, ready? Watch. I get my left hand in the armpit, and I get my right hand under the knee. Elbow deep, guys. And now here's the most important thing. Left leg kicks through, I go up, and now I take him over. And I have my leg bar right here. When you guys do leg bars, don't triangle. Don't go feet parallel, go a modified triangle. Like think of a crappy white belt triangle and you'll do it perfect. So I need to hold the toes and hold the heel, okay? I squeeze my knees and I project my hip, okay? At a higher level, I would be turning his heel as hard as I could to take out the slack and then hipping in. Although it's often unnecessary unless someone is very high level, very flexible, and willing to take PCL tears. So let's have a look at this attack again, guys. This is, I'm telling you guys, this will be a favorite of one of you will take this out and use it in competition forever. I promise you. Here I am, I start in Z. I hold my time. When I'm ready, look where I go. Left hand under the armpit, like I'm giving him a deadly karate chop to the armpit. Whack. Right arm elbow deep. And now I kick my left leg through and I get my hip all the way up. Why do I want my hip all the way up? If I leave it down, look at my body twisted. Does this seem conducive to strength? I don't start like this in the gym to do bench press, right? I'm keeping my body up and now watch what I do. As I roll back onto my back, look how I drag his foot. Watch, very gentle here. I drag his foot over. Look at the lever. It makes his body turn. Okay? My toes and head get in unison. I hold on just like I'm doing a rear naked choke. I've got my crappy triangle in place, my knees are squeezed, and I project my hips here. Okay? Let's have a look again. A few times at real speed for you guys. Here we are. Look at me pull the foot. Follow and hold, leg bar. Okay? Couple more, and then I'll show you what happens when you guys are going to screw this up. Okay, one more. So, grips. Grips. So this is me cruising, this is me attacking. Cruising, attacking. Kick, rotate, hold those toes. Okay? Let's look what happens when you're going to screw this up, because you'll find you can screw it up and still do it great. One of you will probably do this and you'll never do it correctly, and this will still work for you. Grips, kick, and now I'm too strong and I'm not really, and I just kick him over there. You know what? This leg bar works just the same. Maybe he fell to this side. This leg bar works just the same. Maybe I got all the way up to the top. This leg bar works just the same. Okay? So if you screw this up, understand this. If his leg is straight and you are controlling the rotation, which we do via the toes and the heel, and the knee is sandwiched, we're always sandwiching the knee in leg attacks. You can break that leg, okay? We're really going here for a PCL rupture. All right, one last time. Z guard and attacking grips. Kick the leg through and over he goes. Here, okay? And extend. At a higher level, this is just for the black belts here. From close guard, you guys can start setting up these exact same attacks from this inverted position here, like Luis Panza does, but then you need to finish from this grip. So this is more one for the video for you to review after. Don't practice that one, but that works very, very well too. Okay, so let's practice this, guys. One of my favorite attacks. Okay, you guys are gonna love this. This works. For the record, I hate this attack
because it's very effective on me. And the bigger guys are, I think the easier it works. And that's normally not true in jiu-jitsu. Okay, let's go. Z guard knee bar.